The most dangerous thing you can do is get on a horse. The second most dangerous thing you can do is get off a horse. So getting off a horse correctly in a safe manner is a really big deal to be safe as a rider. When you go to step off, if I swing this leg over, this leg should not hit the ground while this leg is still in the stirrup. That's a dangerous way to get off. If the horse moves sideways, you're going to fall, going to spook the horse. This foot's going to get caught in the stirrup, not going to end well. So when you get off your horse, your right leg should not hit the ground while your left leg is still in the stirrup. What they teach is to swing your leg over, kick the stirrup out, and then slide down. I kind of do that in a little bit of a quick way. You see me swing my leg over and step down kind of all in one motion. I've had a couple people ask me about that. It's just, you get on 15 horses a day on and off. That's just kind of how I've developed to get off. What I do is I'll put my hand on the saddle horn. If you're going to kick this leg out and slide down, always have your hand on the saddle horn. I've seen people get their shirt caught, their jacket. I've even seen women get their bra caught, and I've had to pick them up to unhook their bra off the saddle horn. Always have your hand on top of the saddle horn when you go to step off a horse. What I'm going to do is I'll keep the reins in my hand. I'll swing my leg over, and about the time my leg comes over, I'm going to pull my toe up and let this foot come out of the stirrup. Since I have my hands up here, I have a good portion of my body weight up on the saddle, so I don't have a lot of weight on that stirrup to begin with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my reins. I'll kick this leg out of the stirrup, swing it over. When I'm doing that, I basically have 2 points of contact. I have this hand on the horn, have this hand on the stirrup. When this leg clears around the back, I'm just going to pull my toe up, let it slip out of the stirrup. You see where I have my foot in the stirrup? It's under the balls of my feet, right behind my toes. So what I will do, and a lot of times when I'm getting off, I actually slide the stirrup a little further forward. Kick this leg out, weight up here in the stirrup, swing my leg over, pull my toe up, and hop down. That's how I get off. That's just how I've developed doing it. I get off a lot of young babies and horses with problems. If I was to lean my stomach over the saddle and kick my foot out of the stirrup, a lot of young horses would panic over that. So to keep myself safe, that's how I get off because of young horses. If you have any questions about properly dismounting a horse, put it in the comments and let's talk about it. When you dismount a horse, this left leg should be out of the stirrup before the right leg hits the ground. If it's not, if this leg is on the ground and this foot is still in a stirrup, that horse spooks sideways, you're in a bad position to get hurt. Your foot's going to get caught, you're going to get drugged, it's going to be serious. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Until next time, thank you for watching.